Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Wasim from Electrical Department AITM Bhatkal. So I am here to present an introductory class on operational amplifiers for the students of fourth semester E&D department. So before going into the syllabus, I would like to introduce operational amplifiers from your module 1 as the basic class. Okay. So let us see what is operational amplifier, or in short also known as what is an op amp, in short known as op amp. Okay. So this is how an op amp circuit diagram looks like. Let me zoom it. As you can see, this op amp has two input terminals. The first one is inverting input terminal denoted by minus sign, and the second input terminal is non-inverting input terminal denoted by plus sign. Okay. So these are the two input terminals. It has one output terminal. As you can see, one output terminal. Apart from these three terminals, it requires one positive power supply and one negative power supply, as you can see in the circuit diagram. So this is how it is denoted with this circuit diagram. Okay. Now let me come to my first question. What is an op amp? So an op amp is operational amplifier. Okay. It can perform certain operations, certain mathematical operations, and along with that, after making the operations, it can also perform amplification function. So both together, operation mathematical operations as well as amplification together makes it operational amplifier. Now we'll see what all operations it can perform and what amplification it can does. So before going into that, I hope you all know that what is an amplifier. Amplifier is a circuit which strengthens the weak signal and makes it strong. How does it strengthen the weak signal? By increasing its amplitude. An amplifier takes a weak signal and increases its amplitude. This makes it strong, right? This increases the strength of the signal. So for this, the main parameter which is dependent is gain. Depending on the gain of the amplifier, the strength will be added to the weak signal. Okay. So this amplification is done after the operations being done. So doing operation along with amplification will make it operational amplifier. So what all operations it can do, how amplification will be done, we'll see in further classes. Okay. So but let us see some of the definition. Yes, sorry for interruption. Let me continue with the topic. So let us see some of the definitions here. An operational amplifier is an analog circuit block that takes differential voltage input and produces single-ended output voltage. Yes, it takes the input, two inputs, one is inverting and the other one is non-inverting. The difference of this will be taken as the input for op amp, and based on this difference, if any amplification is required depending on the gain, an output will be produced accordingly. Okay. The second point, you can say op amp usually have three terminals. Yes, two high impedance input and low impedance output port. So input is, yeah, same thing which what I have discussed above from the diagram. Third point will say operational amplifiers can be used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, integration, and differentiation. Okay. So these are the operations which it can perform before amplifying the signal. Next, very important point, fourth point, you can see an operational amplifier is a versatile device. It is known as versatile because it can perform many, it is involved in many more applications such as AC DC signal amplification. What does it mean? It can amplify AC signal as well as DC signal, which is very important. Next, it can be used in active filters. Okay. Here, what do you understand by the word filter? Filtering means uh, taking out the unwanted part of the signal, removing the portion of the signal which is unwanted. So this can be achieved with the help of operational amplifier. Then we have, it can op amp can be used in oscillators. Next, it can be used as a comparator it can be used as a regulator. So these are the very important applications of op-amp. So this is how the op-amp is. It can perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, integration, differentiation. It can be used as AC to AC and DC amplifier, active filter, oscillator, comparator, regulator. This is what the op-amp is. So with this basic class, let me end this and prepare a next class for you with the syllabus. Okay, thank you.